What if I told you that a simple tool, which you already use, could help you start a thriving business? Every day, millions of small businesses are listed on Google Maps, but hidden behind those pins is an untapped gold mine, a unique problem you can solve while building a scalable, recurring income stream, all from the comfort of your home. Curious? Let's explore this hidden opportunity together. Discovering the opportunity. Imagine this: you're sitting at your desk, scrolling through Google Maps. You see small businesses in your area, some thriving, others struggling to reach customers. But what if I told you that behind every business listing, there's a problem waiting to be solved? A problem that could become a lucrative business opportunity for you. This is where you come in, by helping businesses address a common, but critical, issue that most of them overlook. The problem with missed calls. Let's talk numbers. Did you know that more than 62% of calls to local businesses go unanswered? Picture this: a potential customer calls to book a service or place an order, but the phone rings unanswered. What happens next? They hang up and go somewhere else. It's not just an inconvenience for the customer, it's lost revenue for the business, sometimes thousands of dollars every single month. Now, here's the gap that you can fill. Businesses are losing out on customers due to missed calls, and that's where you come in, as a problem solver and revenue generator. Introducing the solution. Introducing the Auto Missed Call Text Back system, a simple yet powerful tool designed to instantly engage customers when their calls go unanswered. The system automatically sends a professional text message, letting the customer know their call is important and offering immediate assistance. This simple text turns a missed opportunity into a chance to win that customer back. It keeps the conversation going and dramatically increases the chances of converting that call into a sale. It's like having a solution ready to go, effortlessly and instantly. Leveraging Google Business Listings. The beauty of this system is in its simplicity. It integrates directly with Google Business Listings, which means you don't have to worry about complicated setups or coding. With just a few clicks, you can link the tool to any business's Google Business account and activate automated text responses. In just a few minutes, you can help businesses engage every potential customer, even when the phone is silent. Now, let's talk about how this benefits you. You can charge businesses anywhere from $100 to $200 per month for this service. For them, it's a small investment that recovers lost revenue. And for you, it's recurring income that grows with every new client you onboard. Imagine signing just 10 clients, that's $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Now, picture scaling this: 20, 30, even 50 clients. That's financial freedom within reach. This isn't a one-time deal, it's a business that works for you every month, all year long. The best part? You don't need prior experience or technical skills to get started. We've created a free training program that walks you through everything: understanding the problem, setting up the tool, and pitching to businesses. You'll also get templates, scripts, and a free trial of the software to help you hit the ground running. We've made it easy, so you can start building your business right away. This isn't just a course, it's your roadmap to building a real business that works for you 24/7, allowing you to generate income while helping businesses thrive. The opportunity is right here, right now. Local businesses are waiting for a solution to missed calls, and you can be the one to provide it. Don't wait. Click the link to sign up for the free training and start building a business that changes lives, yours and theirs. Hit subscribe, tap the like button, and take the first step towards your new future today. This is your chance, don't let it slip away.